School subjects. What subject do you study in your school? What is your favorite subject? Italian. My favorite subject is Italian. English. I love English. Spanish. I prefer Spanish. French. I like French. Math. I like math. Science. I love science. Geography. My favorite subject is geography. History. I love history. Law. I like law. Economics. I love economics. Art. I prefer art. Music. My favorite subject is music. IT information technology. I like IT. PE physical education. I love PE physical education. Religious education. I prefer religious education. Drama. I love drama. Design and technology. I like design and technology.